welcome back to my channel today. Phyna, for the recent podcast wey be say she don explain her present relationship with her papa after the Vanguard newspaper saga, and also congratulations to Neo over his new signed deal. So Neo don get a new endorsement deal today from Heroes. Heroes na beer company, brewery abi na wetin dem dey call dem. So dem dey manufacture beer for there, and na big company, na big brand. So congratulations to him, e no easy. When I dey tell una talk say Neo no be small person, some pipu dey feel say just because him dey date Beauty say dey date her because of money. No, dat boy him come from family wey be say dey a bit comfortable, so he's not struggling. None of all dis Big Brother Naija pipu wey be say una dey sorry for poor enter Big Brother house. Most of dem dey get something tangible going on with dem before they enter inside Big Brother house. So don't look down on any of them. So once again, congratulations T and T, una oga don get new endorsement deal. So on top Phyna matter, Phyna come out come explain the scenario, wetin really happen between her and her papa that time. Remember say some months ago, Phyna papa come out for Vanguard newspaper wey be say dem come dey talk about how Phyna take abandon her family after she collect the 120 million wey dem give her. She carry am take escape. So she come dey explain to us say no be wetin really happen be that, say no be everything wey be say the Vanguard newspaper bring out na be really true, because her papa, some of them the papa no talk about am, but Vanguard newspaper add salt and pepper to make the thing sweet. Say fine, she go admit to say yes, her papa talk some, but not be all of them her papa talk. After explain to us say the truth be say her papa na illiterate, he no go school, so he no really understand wetin he dey do that time. He no understand how social media dey work and all those type of thing wey be say dey talk dey work. So she said the thing wey really happen be say that time wey be say they interview the papa, say she and papa dey plan to do something, just like a project or something, where the papa dey tell her to say see the amount, to see how I want me to do the thing. The girl come tell am so say she no get that kind of money, say she no go fit do one. Say so na that statement wey be say she talk say she no fit do one, e come be say na that same period of time that they come take interview the man, wey be say the man come talk say Phyna no dey take care of am. Say the particular thing na roof, say because she don promise dem say she go renovate the house wey be say they dey stay, all those type of things. Say so the roof wey be say the papa want for the house na like 5.9 million. So she come dey tell the man to say she no get that kind of money. Say there are other cheaper roof wey be say they fit wey she fit afford, like 3 million, all those type of thing, but the man say no. So she come tell them to say when they're ready to roof the house, make they let her know, because she no fit afford the 5 million. She can't stop to dey pick the call, can't stop to dey pick her parents call. Now be that maybe they just say she no dey pick her parents call anymore. She said the thing come escalate to the extent say she, after that interview, she can't stop to dey talk to her parents. She no dey talk to them at all again, because she was feeling depressed. So she can't, but she still dey do things wey be say she dey do for them. She still dey take care of them, but she just stopped to dey talk to them. Say but she don't forgive everything, and they dey in good terms now. So make una listen to wetin she talk for herself.
Clarify some of all those arrangements. So that's to say your papa not talk some of all those statements when they talk to your papa. Now the person where go they use by force interview. Now he cook.
Now cook. Because the thing actually annoy me. He talk some. He actually said some things, but he not talk some things. Okay. You know me, I be a dog girl. I come from house where be say you get one parable where Esako people they quick talk. They'll say ukpele elu not be aso, ukpele elu not say aso, ukpele elu not be okay. That is the day where I do good one, nobody go here.
The day when you do error,
do bad one, everywhere go they shake. Yes. So now waiting just really solve that period. Yes.
Okay, but you and your dad and your other family, muna they in good terms right now. They communicate. You see the Richard, they draw small thing. Because what I like, you be like the breadwinner of that family. Now you, but that support still they go.
Still, I not get choice. Someone want leave on for. Not get choice. I see there. So even at some point that time, because I was very angry. I was angry for a very long time. What I did was, I'm not going to talk. Let me not lie. I'm not going to talk to my parents again. I don't take their calls. I don't do nothing. But trust me, they must not lack anything. Yes.
Because to honest, I think that narrative of that.
When I don't hear what Phyna talk now, to me, I believe that some family members they very entitled. If you be first speaking for your family, as in people don't know what person they pass through as first speaking. They no know, they just believe to say because you dey township na so dem go dey talk am. Dem go say you dey township, dey feel say because you dey there, your life just dey easy, money suppose to don dey come out, you suppose to don dey throw money up and down. Like dis life not really easy like that too. So make everybody calm down. The same way wey be say e hard for you for village, na so e hard for people for city. As a matter of fact, some people wey dey for city dey suffer, but they no fit talk. By the time wey be say only one person be breadwinner for family, e dey always dey very disastrous, because all the whole problem na your neck na e go just dey. Everybody need to put hand together to chase poverty comot from their family. If everybody just dey wait for one person to pull everybody out of poverty, una go dey pull that person down. On the other hand, she suppose handle this issue with her family well, rather than allowing the thing come on social media. But you no get anybody, you no get any family wey be say dey perfect. Everybody family dey, a lot of families, they must get one dysfunctional something wey be say dey go on for there. So I no fit fault her for that one. Whatever it is, I'm glad say she and her papa don settle and they dey in good terms. Una take care, una